Hey guys, this is Jay again and welcome back to Vlogcetera. So today guys is our day 2 here in Sapa. Actually later pabalik na din kami ng Hanoi, so we're just making the most of our natitirang oras here in Sapa. We went out late kasi nag-laundry kami dun sa homestay. So we are going to look for brunch. Ito yung sobrang daming ilaw paggabi guys. Yan. So ngayon yan, makulay pa rin naman siya pero really paggabi kapag bukas lahat ng mga ilaw, it's really different. Doon tayo kumain last night guys. Yung Lady Bird. Try nyo doon. Masarap yung mga pagkain. Ang ganda pala talaga guys ng lake. Kaya pala yung ibang mga nagpupunta dito na puro fog to. They are frustrated kasi they're not seeing this beautiful view. This is nice guys. So, meron din siyang walkway if you want to jog around the lake with that view. There's this color of spring around here guys. Tabi pa rin to nung lake nila. Guys, look where we're back at. Yeah. So we're back here at the Lady Bird just because we want to end yung Sapa experience namin with a good exclamation mark. So madami actually restaurant dito pero we did not try kasi dito sure na kami that we will love the food. And yes, we ordered different selections this time but still the good food. So just like the goal guys, yung food namin here in Lady Bird, yeah, did not disappoint. So our total nung bill namin is nasa 335,000 VND. At ang mas mahal pa is yung binili naming mga smoothies. Hey guys, we're back in the home Sapa and in fact naghihintay na lang kami nung sundo namin na sleeper van ulit going back to Hanoi. We're back in the sleeper van. Mas marami yung capacity nito kasi 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 3 4 times 2 tapos may 3 pa dun sa likod. So this is going to be another smooth time and we are going back to Hanoi. Hey guys, it's past 8 PM and we are now back here in Hanoi. Ito yung hotel namin, Hanoi Lakeview.